Hey, this is Eric from the Technical Services window, and today I will be going over the Rifa lighting kit. In this video, we will discuss the Pro Light and the Rifa light. We will not show the Omni light. If you would like to see how to set up the Omni light, please watch our other video on the general lighting kit. In order to get started, we first need to set up our light stand. The light stand can be found in the top compartment of the Rifa bag. To set it up, loosen the bottom knob of the stand and spread the legs. When you are done, tighten the knob again. To extend the stand, loosen the knob above the previous knob and extend the stand. When you are done, tighten the knob. Next, we will set up the Rifa light, which can be found in the elongated bag. Take the light out of the bag and undo the Velcro. Next, lower the hand by turning the handle and swinging the connector down. Then turn the handle back to tighten. Then loosen the knob where we will connect the light to the stand. Once connected, tighten the knob. Make sure the light is pointing in the same direction as the bottom leg so the light doesn't fall over from the weight. To open the light up, pull the wire and rod in the back. To attach diffusion, unzip the top of the bag, take it out, and unfold the diffusion. To attach the diffusion to the light, line up the holes with the silver connector. Do this for all 4 sides. Also, make sure to Velcro the sides down. To plug the light in, connect the plug in the back of the light to the connection. Then plug the 3-prong plug into the socket. Then flip the switch to power the light on or off. If you need to pan the light, loosen the knob on the connector and use the handle to pan it. Once done, tighten the knob back up. The Rifa light casts a fair amount of light. However, you can add even more diffusion to lessen the light if you want. To do this, we will need the egg crate, which is located in the small bag in the front of the Rifa kit. Take the egg crate out of the bag and unfold the egg crate. You will attach the egg crate the same way you attach the white diffusion. Make sure to attach the Velcro as well. As you can tell, there is less light with the diffusion on. Next, we will set up the Pro Light, which can be found in the side of the Rifa kit. Use the big wheel to lower the connector down. Loosen the knob at the bottom and attach the light to the stand. When you are done, tighten the knob back up. To open the barn doors, pull the top and bottom doors up and down, and then open the side doors. Then take the 3-prong plug and plug it into your socket. To turn the light on or off, push the red switch on the back of the light. Turn the light on or off by pressing the red switch on the back. You can also use the big wheel on the side to dim or brighten the light. If the Pro light is too bright, you can grab a gel frame from the top of the Rifa kit. To extend the frame, pull the gel frame open. Then pull down the connector. To attach the frame, loosen the bottom knob, slide it into the small slot under the light and tighten the knob again. Then grab a gel kit and take out your diffusion. Attach the diffusion by opening the clamps on all four corners of the frame and sliding the diffusion in. You can also add a color gel too for effect. Make sure to let the light cool down before touching it. You can also add an umbrella to diffuse the light, which can be located in the same top compartment you found the white diffusion in. To open the umbrella, push the connector down and slide the umbrella up. Keep pushing it up until it clears the top connector, where it will sit. Slide the umbrella into the same slot where you slid your gel frame. Then tighten the knob again. As you can tell, the umbrella was used to diffuse the light. Now we will discuss how to set your lights up for a 3-point lighting setup. In this example, we will have the Rifa light as our key light. Notice that the reporter is standing in the middle of the camera and light like a sandwich. You will also want to have your light point 45 degrees towards your subject. The key light has left a lot of shadows on the right side of our subject's face. To compensate for this, we will need to add our second light, our fill light. In this case, I am using the Pro light. As you can tell, this light fills in the shadows, but we still need to add depth. For depth, we will use our third light, our backlight, which I use the Omni light for. As you can tell, our subject now has more definition around his shoulders and hair, separating him from the background. To put the equipment away, the first thing we will do is shut our lights off and wait for them to cool down. The first light we will take down is the Pro light. To start, unplug the light from the socket. Take off any diffusion or gels you may have. To take the frame out, loosen the knob on the side and pull the frame out. Close the frame by bringing in the connector and folding the frame together. Place the frame back in its corresponding place. If you have an umbrella, take it out the same way by loosening the knob and taking it out. To close the umbrella, press the button at the top of the umbrella and bring the umbrella down until it clicks into place. Then place it back in its correct compartment. To close the barn doors, close the side doors first, then the top and bottom ones. Then, loosen the knob on the bottom of the light and slide the light off the stand. Tighten the knob back up. Use the big wheel to fold up the connector piece. Then place the light back in its corresponding place. Before taking down the Rifa light, make sure it is cooled down. Then unplug the light from the wire. Take off the egg crate if you have one by undoing the Velcro and sliding it out of the connectors. Then fold the egg crate back up and slide it into its bag. place it in its correct place in the kit. To take off the white diffusion, slide it off the connectors and undo the Velcro on the sides. Then fold the white diffusion back up and place it in the top compartment of the kit and zip it closed. To close the hood to the light, push in the wire and silver pole so the light collapses. Loosen the knob on the back connector and remove the light. Then, turn the handle to loosen the back portion and fold it up. Turn the handle the other way to tighten it back up. Velcro the light shut. Slide the light back into the bag and place it in its correct spot. Finally, to take down the light stand, loosen the knob to lower any parts you might have extended. Bring them down and then tighten the knob. Loosen the knob at the bottom and then fold the legs back up. Tighten the knob when done. Place the stand in the top portion of the kit. That's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you and good luck on your future competency test.